Hi, good evening. Today we are going to learn stay safe from QR code frauds. Digital payments have made life easy for millions of Indians. However, instances of payment frauds are also increasing. Did you know fraudsters can scam you even if they don't have your card or bank account details? One fraud on the rise, the QR code fraud. First, a little bit know about 6 digital payment mode frauds, and later we can discuss about the QR code, how the going is a big fraud mechanism. So here there are 6 types of mechanisms on that. First one is the new forms of payment offer scope for confusion: request money fraud, QR code fraud, remote access app, and social media impersonation fraud. And 6 is a SIM swap fraud. On that first one is the new forms of a payment offer scope of for confusion. Here two developments have created an enabling environment for fraud: the exploitation of smartphones with internet and multiple modes of payment through apps. Methods used by tricksters range from payment requests made on the unified payments interface to sharing of QR codes on WhatsApp. Here some common ones doing the rounds. And second thing is the request money fraud. Some fraudsters misuse the request feature on UPI by sending fake payment requests with messages like enter your UPI pin and to receive money, payment successful, receive of rupees, some etc. So you need to enter pin only sending money. So do not pay this type of UPI transactions. And third one is the QR code fraud. Fraudsters share a QR code over WhatsApp asking the QR code to be scanned to receive money in the account. The QR code, a feature in some UPI apps, is in fact a collect request and scanning and entering your PIN and ascending to their request. Again, you need to scan QR only to make payments. So don't do this type of things. Why? Because don't share your card number and expiry date and PIN, OTP, etc. with anyone. And the fourth one is the remote accessing of app. Fraudsters ask users to install screen sharing apps such as ScreenShare, AnyDesk, and TeamViewer, and use them to get access up to bank credentials. These apps are not malware, but they do not grant access of your mobile data to third party. Don't do such type of things. Download the third party apps such as screen sharing, AnyDesk, TeamViewer to enable or receive the payments. And fifth one is the social media impersonation frauds. Fraudsters track the compliance in social media and share fake contacts or the impersonate bankers or RBI officials in response to a post and a desk for confidential information which no banker is supposed to ask for. So here don't do such type of things. Why? Because some fraudsters are get the names someone's and like a woman's name or woman pics and same like that type of transaction they can do that. And you can don't do respond of such type of social medias like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagrams or WhatsApp, whatever it is. So you don't do such type of things. And sixth one is the SIM swapping fraud. Fraudsters manage to get duplicate SIM which provides them access to one-time passwords. So they do this pretending be from a mobile company and asking here to forward SMS containing the SIM card number to activate the duplicate SIM. So don't do such type of things. Why? Because respond to text, email from unknown address to click on the links. This is mainly the specific purpose of usage. Okay, so here I am giving them the some of the simple examples in by using of a Python, but you must first install the PIP install QR code and PIP install of the pillow. These two packages must be installed. Then after you can create a simple and easy. You can create so okay, here first the method is import QR code. QR code is the package and we are importing, and we are creating the demos image here. IMG is the variable name and QR code is the package name, and QR code dot make is the method, and we are giving that the QR code name is test text, and print type equal to image. So print means here prints the image. Okay, print image dot size. Here image dot size we can describe whether it is by default of the specifications of 290 290. So as well as it can respond. So once I can show that later. Okay, so here one more of the simple example is import QR code and QR code of version 12 and error correction of QR code constants of error correction like horizontal or vertical, whatever it is, you can specify here, and you can give that the label name, I mean image name, and make is the method to create image, and here the make image of the fill color red. Okay, here saving the image name, that is test2.png. So okay, next one is a program for create of a QR code on image. See here, if you want, you can give that, and mean fraudsters can give that the QR code on the images, but this image has some properties and like links and specific of domain specification addresses and addresses. Okay, so this type of very harmful, and that is main purpose of denying of this type of transactions. Why? Because destination address is they can't specify, and they are put in image. Okay, so here, and specification of the program for face image on QR code image. So here see, the image face is on the QR code. So according to that, they can get that your details also. So be aware of this type of transactions. So here, what you need to remember to stay safe from frauds, the PhonePe or the UPI or any bank of the transactions never ask for confidential details. If you are asked for such details by anyone, posing a PhonePe representative, and please ask them to send you an email, only respond to emails from and phonepay.com or domain. So do not search PhonePe customer or UPI customer or the bank transactions customer support numbers on Google, Twitter, FB, etc. If you do that, automatically it activates the support.phonepay.com and upi.com, or someone can get the details of according to that. Never call and never respond, and never connect with the official accounts only across the various social media platforms. Must and should you must follow this type of transactions, then only you will be saved. Otherwise, the approach is the nearest of go to your cyber cell. Okay, so that is the main thing. And please, once again I am telling you, remember, you never have to pay or enter your UPI pin to receive money on PhonePe. A genuine sender only requires your PhonePe number and to send you money. If you receive a message like that, do not respond, and instead of contact PhonePe or the UPI or the bank transactions support on the app to report the PhonePe number and other details of fraudsters. You have to lessen of this. Why? Because do not seek help from the strangers to complete the payment or transactions, and do not download apps except official ones and recommended by the seemingly helpful people, even if they come to be bank staff. Okay, thank you. And here I can show the example. Here once see here the code. Once here see, I was taken up one of the folder, that is QR code folder. Here I was taken two images, that is Diana and QR Lena. So my code is here, and see the code here is going. First of all, I can execute. Okay, once I can execute the code. So I said already before of this code. Okay, according to this code, we can create the QR code. So okay, I am executing Control S, and here I can give the path once. The path is so okay. Control S. Control S and F5 pressing. Okay, sorry. Sorry. So QR code. Okay, Control S, F5. So okay, 290 and 290 are the specification. By default it was created of a QR code symbol. Okay, again once we can see that another method, that is a color code, that is color QR code. So once I can execute here. Okay, So once I can execute, so QR code is the path. Okay, I'm pressing F5. So okay, the second QR code is came here. Okay, so see, first of all, here in this image there is no QR code here. Okay, you can see there is no QR code, but now our program execution after it can display the QR code. So here I can give that QR code. Okay, Control S. Fine. Sorry. What is the error? No such file directory. Oh, sorry. Okay, Control S by pressing F5. Okay, here see, the present image got one QR code. So okay, so I'm taking one more image here. That is QR Lena. Here QR Lena. So okay, so here I am first once I want to change the path QR code. So here I want to give the path. Once I can save this and press F5. Okay, executed. So QR Lena on that image key. So be aware of such type of things. That is the main thing I want to say. Be safe and stay safe from QR codes. Okay, thank you.